Hey guys, how are you doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is our Binance MXC and 3 commas update. So if you guys wouldn't mind smashing that likes, smashing those likes, we will go over to the accounts and see how we are getting on. So today I did a few trades. I got out some ample on this run up. That's not the correct chart, is it? Oh yes it is, but it's a 15-minute chart. What are you even looking at 15-minute charts for? Yeah, we sold some ample, got out basically on this spike up to 1, and yes, we're out of that position. And yeah, and I think I basically put it into some PCX and some RSR. If we have a look at the account, we'll do that. We'll do the calculations. It's looking good. It's over 20k now, which I don't think it was above that before. 1.753. I think it is. I've only just refreshed it, so it should basically be the same. if it wants to hurry up. I still got this like tickly cough. Here we go. Oh, 1.752. It's gone down a bit. Right, so there we go. And we'll add that to the Binance, which I think the Binance has been doing okay as well, actually, for a change. But having said that, I've not checked it recently. Oh yeah, that's good. I think that's good. One spot 191, which gives us a grand total of that. Take away 0.638. Yeah, so wow, so we are 1.3 Bitcoin, 1.305 Bitcoin up now. So that is yeah, I'm particularly pleased with that, because it does feel like these markets haven't been doing too much in reality. So it's good that we've got into that we are basically still making some profits, which is good. Obviously we've got a lot of edgeware here, got a lot of anchor, got a lot of ocean. I didn't realize we had quite that much ocean, but obviously because the account size has gone up, obviously I'm not used to how much of these figures are in this account, because in my mind this is still just a smaller account. But yeah, we've got a lot of ocean, so if that makes a move, starting to build up RSR, Rune, a little bit of XOR, and a nice amount of ring as well. So yeah, all in all, I'm pretty pleased with that. If we look over at Binance, we've got iExec, RLC is one of my favorites, Elrond, Swipe, Band, OGN, Ren, Synthetics. They're probably the main holdings, but yeah, Kyber and QRC not too far behind, and a few stragglers back there. So yeah, that's it. Really pleased with that. Just again 1.305 Bitcoin up, so excellent. Yeah, so I'm out for the rest of the day now. Got some bits and bobs to do. It's been Saturday, as obviously you guys all know. So yeah, I will speak to you guys probably tomorrow morning now. So have a great rest of the day, whatever you guys are up to, and yeah, and I'll speak to you then.